हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जाम वर्ट। और आज हम आ गए एक नए टॉपिक के साथ सीयूईटी पीजी के लिए। ओके, सो हमारे लाइव बैचेस चल रहे हैं जिसमें कि एंशियंट हिस्ट्री का पार्ट हमने कवर कर लिया है। अगर आप लोगों ने लाइव बैच नहीं ज्वाइन किया है तो उसके लिए आपको गूगल फॉर्म डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। प्लीज़ गो टू दैट फॉर्म एंड रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, क्योंकि सिलेबस बहुत वाइड है। ओके, आप एक साथ नहीं कवर कर पाएंगे पूरा सिलेबस 2 महीने में, बिकॉज हिस्ट्री का सिलेबस इज रियली वेरी डिमांडिंग। ओके, सो व्हाट्स द टॉपिक फॉर आवर वीडियो? आई थिंक दैट I should help you a bit more by covering all the important battles of Indian history, right from the ancient times to modern times. Okay, so I try to bring each and every battle in front of you to give a glimpse of those battles, because battles shapes history. Okay, battles are the only thing in the world that have shaped the today's map, today's geography, today's history, everything. Okay, so we'll start our lecture of important battles. The first battle that we are going to talk about, the battle which has changed the history of not only India but the all over the world. Okay, the battle which changed the course of the history of the world. Okay, the Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. This is a battle which changed the course of the history. Okay, so where did that word Plassey comes from? Plassey comes from a flower. Okay, a flower named Palash. पलाश के फूल. The word Plassey comes from that Palash. Okay, it's a very beautiful flower. If you look at it, it gives very bright colors, very pleasing to eyes. Now, why Battle of Plassey is very important? This is the battle which shows the ability of British Empire. This shows the administrative skill of Robert Clive, the man who is responsible for the British colonial formation in colonial India. The man himself, Robert Clive. Okay, Robert Clive has proved himself in earlier battles, whether it's Carnatic Wars or Siege of Arcot. Every time he has proved himself worthy of the position that he has got in East Indian Company. Okay, now come to the battle. Please note down this first point. Though it was more of a skirmish than a battle, it was not a real battle at all, because if you know the results of a battle, then it is not a battle at all. आप लोगों को कैसा लगेगा? आपकी कहीं लड़ाई हो गई है, ठीक है, आपकी कहीं लड़ाई हो गई है और आप अपने सबसे भरोसेमंद दोस्त को बुलाते हो, भाई लड़ाई हो गई है आजा। और आपको जब लड़ाई लड़ने जाओ आप, तो आपको पता चले कि आपका सबसे प्यारा दोस्त आपके खिलाफ, आपके दुश्मन से पहले ही हाथ मिला चुका है। कैसा लगेगा आपको? ठीक यही हुआ था बैटल ऑफ प्लासी में। मीर जाफर, one of the commander of the army of Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah, one of the most trusted commander of Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah, had betrayed him in this battle. Okay, he had betrayed him in this battle. Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah betrayed by Mir Jafar. Okay, he was also called as the Jackal of Clive, Clive का भेड़िया. Okay, it was more of a skirmish. मतलब कि रियल बैटल हुआ ही नहीं था, क्योंकि रिजल्ट सबको पहले से पता था। जब सामने वाली आर्मी का कमांडर आपकी पार्टी में है, सामने वाली आर्मी कहाँ से जीतेगी? है कि नहीं? इतनी बुरी हालत हो गई थी, सिराजुद्दौला को ऊँट लेके भागना पड़ा था अपना वापस, इतनी बुरी हालत हो गई थी। The British victory under Robert Clive at Plassey in Bengal was a crucial event in the history of India. I have told you this earlier also that it was a crucial event in the history of India. Okay, please note down this date. June of 23rd, 1757. June 23, 1757. At Plassey, a small village and mango grove between Calcutta and Murshidabad. It's a general introduction of Plassey. Just remember the date here. Okay, just remember the date, June of 23, 1757. Okay. I'm sorry, just remember the date, June 23, 1757. The forces of East India Company under Robert Clive met the army of Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal. See, Bengal has a very amazing history. The particular history of Bengal, right from the ancient times, whether it's Pala Empire, whether it's Bakhtiyar Khilji, whether it's Mughals, it has always been a rebellious state. Okay, it has always been a rebellious state. Since it is so far away from Delhi, therefore there are always rebellions. In ancient times, Palas has acquired this. The Chola ruler has defeated the Pala ruler Mahipal the First and established his kingdom, established his capital at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. That was a part of our ancient history. Okay, so Bengal has a very diverse history. Okay, and Sirajuddaulah is one of the strongest king of Bengal at that time. Like बंगाल की वेल्थ का आप इतना अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हो। बंगाल के जो सेठ हुआ करते थे, मर्चेंट्स, दे वर यूज टू लोन द गवर्नमेंट्स ऑफ दैट टाइम। अ सिंगल इंडिविजुअल, सेठ ओमीचंद, very famous merchant of Bengal, he used to give loans to the government of the other country. Okay, तो आप सोच सकते हो बंगाल में कितनी वेल्थ थी उस टाइम पे। एक सिंगल इंसान पूरी गवर्नमेंट को लोन दे रहा है। That was the wealth of Bengal at that time. Now Sirajuddaulah was the king when Battle of Plassey happened. Okay, now look at the stats. What are the stats? Like what are the army strengths of Robert Clive and Sirajuddaulah? Clive had 800 Europeans and 200 Indians. Very interesting fact. Rather being a British, he has commanded an army which comprises majority of Indians. 2200 Indians, 800 Europeans. Whereas Sirajuddaulah in his entrenched camp at Plassey was said to have 50,000 men with a train of heavy artillery. Train. We are talking about a train. Okay. You can understand such a heavy machinery that Sirajuddaulah had. But it is of no use if you don't have commander on your side. See, it's a very famous saying that it's not the machine that matters. It's a man that holding this machine matters. Okay, it's not the machine. That's the man who holds that machine. Okay. Therefore, according to Clive, he lost 18 men. Okay, while he estimated the Nawab's dead as around 500. See, these are bit of exaggeration just to revolutionize their glory. Okay. According to Clive, he lost only 18 men. Yes, the figures are around like that. Like Clive has lost around 50 to 80 men, whether Sirajuddaullah's army had suffered a heavy loss of around 500 to 600. Okay, Sirajuddaulah was killed by his own people and Mir Jafar replaced him. See, what are the causes of Plassey? If we see, Plassey is a very detailed topic. Okay, we will read it in our live classes. We will look in a very detailed manner what are the causes of Battle of Plassey. But the immediate cause that was given by the Oriental writers or the British writers, it is said to be the Black Hole Tragedy. Please note down in your notes, it's a very important point, the Black Hole Tragedy. Okay, the Black Hole Tragedy. The British historians have said that एक बार ब्रिटिशर्स जो थे वो कई बार स्लेव्स ले जाते थे अपनी दूसरी कॉलोनीज में इंडिया से। ओके, सो सिराजुद्दौला को पता चला कि वो यहाँ की औरतों और बच्चों को स्लेव्स की तरह यूज़ कर रहे हैं और उनका व्यापार कर रहे हैं। तब सिराजुद्दौला ने, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एक काली कोठरी थी, काला कमरा था जिसमें कि सिर्फ 10 ही लोगों की जगह थी। तो सिराजुद्दौला ने उस कमरे में 104 ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स को डाल के उनकी हत्या करवा दी थी। ऐसा ब्रिटिश राइटर्स लिखते हैं। नोबडी बिलीव्स दैट स्टोरी, इट इज़ अ डिस्प्यूटेड history that was created by the, just to legitimize their actions of Plassey, they have created a story. It's my personal point of view, but it is a debated history that whether the black hole tragedy exists or not. The over involvement of Britishers in the internal matters of Bengal is also a reason for the Plassey. Okay, it is also a reason for the Plassey. Now Britishers have promised Mir Jafar as the kingship or the Nawabship of Bengal, and in return they are going to get the Diwani rights, okay, around Calcutta and the nearby cities of Calcutta. Okay, after the battle the Nawab was captured, executed, stabbed to death and replaced by Mir Jafar. Okay, after the battle Britishers have delivered what they have promised. Okay, a grateful Mir Jafar also gave Clive the lucrative rights to annual rent revenue, which were called as Jagirs, around Calcutta. Calcutta and the 3 villages around Calcutta, Britishers have got the Diwani rights over there. It means they can extract revenue according to their wish of that places. Okay. Khoja Wajid, nobody gives you this point. I can assure you, you don't get this point in any standard textbook. Okay, these are the neglected people of our history. Khoja Wajid, who is he? Khoja Wajid is an Armenian. He is basically an Armenian. See, the win of Plassey, as much as it depends on the Mir Jafar and say Tomi Chand and Manik Chand, Khoja Wajid also has equal role in the winning of Robert Clive in the Battle of Plassey. Okay, it is the Bengal merchant who supported Robert Clive but was later arrested on suspicion that he has shown allegiance to the French. French were still in picture in India. All the other major European powers have shifted their bases from India to elsewhere. Britishers were the only formidable power at that time, and French was like on their ventilator. Okay. See, when Battle of Plassey has been ended, Mir Jafar got the Nawabship. And when Mir Jafar has refused to play his end in the deal, like Britishers were milking him to an extent. Okay, he can provide favors to Britishers up to an extent. Okay, therefore Mir Jafar has overtried his powers. Then Britishers has replaced him with Mir Qasim. Okay, Britishers has again replaced Mir Jafar with Mir Qasim. In later times, in 1-2 years, they have replaced Mir Jafar with Mir Qasim. Okay, we will read about Mir Qasim in Battle of Buxar, which taken place in 1764. I have told you guys to remember the date on which Battle of Plassey happened. Okay, even for Indians, the date of Plassey remains significant. During the Sepoy Mutiny, the first war of Indian independence, 1857. Okay, the insurgent leader Nana Sahib Peshwa II, the adopted son of Peshwa Puna. Okay, insurgent leader Nana Sahib Peshwa II attacked the EIC residency at Kanpur 100 years later, and on the very same date as the Battle of the Plassey. Is the very same date of the Battle of Plassey. Okay. See, date matters in history. You can see that. It's the same date on which Nana Sahib Peshwa II has revolted against EIC, which is 23rd of June. Okay, 23rd of June 1757. ऑलमोस्ट 100 ईयर्स, ऑलमोस्ट क्या 100 ईयर्स ही, राइट आफ्टर 100 ईयर्स, सेम डे 23rd of June, the year differs 1857. Thereby date matters in history. Date matters in history. The Battle of Plassey provides us with many lessons. Okay, the Battle of Plassey provides us with many lessons. Okay, first and foremost, never be a Mir Jafar in your life. Never ever be a Mir Jafar in your life. The one who betrays their masters will have to suffer in their life. Okay, he hasn't died a death of honor, he has died such a roadside. Okay, so don't be a Mir Jafar. Oh, always don't be a Mir Qasim also. Qasim has sided with the Britishers, but what happened with Qasim? They have replaced him also. After few years, they again reinstated the Mir Jafar. When Mir Qasim has fought in the Battle of Buxar, we'll see what are the results of Battle of Buxar. You see Battle of Buxar. What happened with Mir Qasim? ऐसी हालत कर दी थी बेचारा, खाने को भी तरस रहा था, है ना? So never be a Mir Jafar or Mir Qasim in your life. Most importantly, never be a Robert Clive. Although he is a very good administrator, he is a master at his game, okay, but the deeds that he has done, okay, he got the fruit of his own deeds. Died by suicide. Okay, one of the richest men of the UK at a time, one of the richest men of UK at a time, died by suicide. So never thought. Karma hits back. Okay, so that's all in the Battle of Plassey. We will look into the causes in our live classes, and live classes are going on. Ancient has we finished. We have started our early medieval part. So please subscribe to the ExamVert YouTube channel so that you can get future updates of upcoming battles. Okay, and please join the live classes if you don't want to rush at the last moment. Okay, so thank you for today, and we will bring another battle for your study preparation. Okay, till then keep studying and study hard.